I'm Dr. Nadeem Sajjad Raja. General practitioners in the United Kingdom are warning that the UK will struggle to reach measles-free status again in the near future. It is important to note that UK achieved measles-free status in 2017. UK Health Agency reported that a tenth of children starting school or not fully vaccinated. Vaccine uptake has become falling over the last 10 years. The latest figures show there were 465 cases across England from October 2023 to February 2024, with the majority of cases in the West Midlands area. There were 53 cases in 2022. Get measles, mumps, rubella vaccine, especially unvaccinated children, and get protected. Thank you very much for watching this video.